The next question is based on sacrifice ratio. So the question is, A and B are partners sharing profits in the ratio of 5:3. They admit C into partnership and the new profit sharing ratio is 4:2:1. We have to calculate the sacrifice ratio. So what is the formula of sacrifice ratio? Sacrifice ratio is equal to old ratio minus the new ratio. Now what is our old ratio here? It is 5:3 and the new ratio is 4:2:1. Now sacrifice is done by the old partners, not by the new partner. So we will consider only the old partners. Here our old partners are A and B. So A, B. So first take their old ratio. Their old ratio is 5:3, that is 5/8 for A and 3/8 for B. 5/8, 3/8. Then minus the new ratio. So in this 4:2:1, the new ratio of A will be 4/7 and 2/7. Okay, so minus that 4/7 and 2/7. Now what you have to do is you have to take cross multiplication. You have to do cross multiplication. So 8 into 7 will be 56. Then you have to do 5 into 7 and 4 into 8. So 5 into 7 is 35, 4 into 8 is 32 divided by 56. 35 minus 32 is 3. 3/56 is the A's sacrifice ratio. Now in the same way, let us calculate for B. So 8 sevens are 56, 3 into 7 and 2 into 8. So 3 sevens are 21 minus 2 8s are 16 divided by 56. So 21 minus 16 is 5/56. So the sacrifice ratio will be 3:5.
Thank you guys for watching the video. Do like the video if it was helpful for you and subscribe to the channel for upcoming updates.
I'm a rider.